up on the housetop. Click, click, click. We have something beautiful we gave birth to this morning. A beautiful red Gelcoat Dominator. Let's pull this thing out and do a custom build for it for Lake of the Ozarks. Look at this thing. So gorgeous and shiny red. Cherry red. Now when we open the lid, to our surprise, wow, we could not believe what we saw. I brought this Gelcoat Dominator home for a customer. The Gelcoat Dominators we had have, a lot of them were empty, so I could put whatever motor and ESC that I want into them, and I thought this was one. I opened it up and I discovered that this is the 2025 prototype Gelcoat Dominator, and all our Gelcoat Dominators that we have right now are the 2025 prototypes. What's so killer about this thing is we have a new tray configuration. We have a little tray that goes under the ESC right here. And it's off to the side. That allows you to have the motor back closer to the motor. There's only a little bit of the battery back close to the motor. That's how a Dom really runs well. And I like to slide the battery all the way up to the motor. And with this tray, you totally can. You have the adjustability to do that. That'll have your Dom running fast, stable, and killer. Another thing that is so rad that we've done to this one. The customer wanted all red on the hull itself with silver hardware. So I switched his water outlets from blue to red, and I think it looks sweet. I also did a red antenna holder, which looks totally rad. He's got a silver hardware back here. I started to put all red hardware on it. Wouldn't that look really killer? All red hardware? But this isn't my boat. This is my customer's boat, and he likes silver hardware. So we're doing red here and silver there. We're here to make your dreams come true, not mine. In fact, my dream come true is making your dreams come true. Straight up. OPS 01L digital CNC chromoly gear waterproof servo. CNC aluminum servo horn. That's something you would buy aftermarket, and it comes stock on our boat. Notice how everything is solidly and firmly mounted. Our servo isn't mounted with a zip tie like some of that other stuff is that people try to compare to my boats. It's funny, they're trying to step up their game. They will never catch up to us because we're always a couple steps ahead. This is our drive system. Completely locked in place. The stuffing tube attaches down there, and it's completely locked in place, so there's no way that we're gonna have shaft misalignment like you get with those pro boats and all that plastic stuff. All of him goodies are sealed tight in this bag, ready for him to install his rudder, his shaft, his prop, etc. The only change I'm gonna make to the power system is, this is a 2000 kV motor. We're gonna be putting a 1650 kV motor in it because this speed controller is capable of 8S. It actually holds the power better on 8S. Same shape and size, just a different kV. We're bolting it right in. Now this gentleman is great. Like I said, he's going to be running at Lake of the Ozarks, and he's going to be demonstrating at some APBA powerboat races, etc. So as a compliment, I'm going to set everything up for him. His trim tabs, I'm going to get them dialed perfectly. His strut, I'm going to dial it perfectly. And tighten everything up back there. These new Gelcoat Dominators in 2025 configuration are in stock and ready to rock. And in case you're curious, we have red, white, and yellow in stock right now. And this is how the white looks once you hit it with some graphics. I built this boat for my homeboy Greg, and we put all the very best of the best in this thing. You know, he's not goofing around, so he wanted the Quasar installed. He wanted an oxy drive, full ball bearing strut installed. He's my buddy. He's like, man, I keep seeing you do all these builds, man. I got some dough. Shit, why don't you build me an Oxidean boat? And he runs with me, so he's like, man, he saw my Dominator go, he said, man, I can't have anything less than that. I got to have exactly what I just saw you doing, man. Do it to me. So I put him on. Oxy drive, 4514 stainless, aluminum lock nut. I mean, I didn't skip anything. I did it just like how mine's is done. Our aftermarket boot, color-coded his water lines. Then you get inside here, man. He's got a straight, genuine Oxidean by Castle 8 SESC 1520 1650 kV motor. Look like I noodled up all his wires and stuff, got him ready. Homeboy is ready. He actually has a Quasar receiver in here. Homeboy is ready to go. And here's all his spare parts right there. The beauty is these Gelcoat Doms come in both black carbon as well as carbon Kevlar. That is totally rad. You can't even see it, but you have your choice of which material you'd like to use. Yeah, buddy. These Gelcoat Doms are here. They're ready for you. They're ready for some new homes. Order for your boat from someone that gives you personal attention, personal detail. If you want something this way or that way, it gets done within a day. Because we actually run, eat, and breathe RC boats. We actually race full-size drag boats. Whether you're interested in one of these boats or just like what we're doing, subscribe to our channel, smash the like button, and remember, by all means, no matter what boat you got, continue enjoying radio-controlled model boating. Bill Oxidean and the Gelcoat Dominators, over and out. Oh yeah, say bye, Fluffy. Fluffy, come on.